Press and hold the control box button for 10 to 15 seconds to enter pairing mode. Open the Tuya app. Add device. Enter the home Wi-Fi password to connect the lights. Control color temperature, brightness, and RGB. Scene modes. Various scenes for you to choose from. Customize scenes and create the scenes you like. Music mode allows selection of built-in music design. APP mode changes according to the rhythm of the music when playing music. Plan. Wake up mode. Sleep mode. Scheduled. Countdown. Do not disturb mode. Power off memory.